We have 9 out of the suspects here. 3 of them are in hospital receiving treatment for wounds sustained during their arrest. In case you are wondering why we are parading this suspect, despite our stand and policy on not parading suspects, is because this is actually a public interest story. We would like to make Nigerians see that the Nigeria Police Force delivered on its promise to get this suspect arrested. Also recovered from the suspect 1 locally fabricated AK-47 rifle, 1 locally made pistol, 1 pump action rifle, 36 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2 live cartridges, 4 mobile phones, 2 knives, 1 cutlass and 2 flashlights. All of the exhibits are also on display there. And our investigation also revealed that Shamsuddin Hassan was the particular suspect that fired the shots that killed Mr. Barnabas Danlami. Our investigation was also carried out into identifying the source of their weapons. We are yet to arrest a suspect in that regard, but we have very credible leads we are working on. We already know the location of some of the gun runners and suppliers, and we assure Nigerians that in our subsequent updates we will be able to tell you how far we have come in that regard. I would like to assure Nigerians that this is not just arrest. It doesn't stop there. These suspects will definitely and most definitely be prosecuted as soon as we wrap up our investigation. Justice must be served. Ms. Somtochukwu and Mr. Barnabas must get justice this time. And we would also like the Nigeria Police Force, under the leadership of IGP Kayode Adeolu-Egbetokun, would like to assure Nigerians that the force would continue to do everything within its power. The force would continue to deploy all human and operational resources as optimally as possible to ensure that their safety and security remains paramount, remains non-negotiable. And we also use this opportunity to call on members of the public to continue to remain vigilant and continue to support the police with timely and credible information that will aid the police in the prevention and detection of crime. Thank you very much.